Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to graph bar graph using Google Sheets. Before we can graph the bar graph, we have to build a frequency table, which I have shown you in a separate video. So if you want to find out how to build this frequency table, you can watch that video first. Anyway, to do the bar graph, you have to have this available. I have two categorical data from two population, and I have built two frequency table for each one of them. So I'm going to just use these table to build a bar graph. So what you do is get the select the category in the frequency column. You don't have to include the grand total because you just want to show how each category, distribute in terms of the frequency number. And then you would, after you select them, you do insert chart using this icon. Google Sheets will recommend some charts for you. You want to do bar graph, so you just select this one that look like a bar graph and do insert. After that, you want to adjust the legend. We don't want to use the legend because you only have one population. And you also want to adjust the title. We say this is a bar graph for class 1's study habit. That's the title. The vertical axis title is okay, it's frequency. And the study habit, maybe I should just say these are study habit categories. So this is the bar graph for one categorical data from one population. I can do the same thing for the second populations. I do insert chart and select a bar graph for it also. So I can build two bar graph from those frequency table. And then the next things we want to do is build one bar graph to show both of them at the same time. So to do that, I want to, copy the two table in the worksheet so they go side by side. I select those frequency column and I add a worksheet. I'm going to copy it over here by saying paste values only. And then the second one, this is from the second population. I also copy, go back to that new worksheet and paste it over here, paste values only also. Then I want to have the two frequency column go side by side, paste. So now to distinguish the two frequency column, I say this is from class 1, I say frequency 1, or maybe I'll just say class 1. And then this is for class 2. And this category is actually just study habit category. Then I would select both frequency column. This used to be frequency column. And then I do the insert chart again. Do this, the one that shows two bar graph, double bar graph, and say insert. See, I have the legend here correctly specified. The blue one is class 1, the red one is class 2. And I also have frequency here, but like the frequency title is missing. So oh well, let me do the title first. So this is bar graph for class 1 and 2 study habit. And then for the vertical frequency, I say the axis left, vertical axis title, that's frequency. Press enter. And that's it. I have a double bar graph that shows frequency for the two population in one graph.